welcome to all. I, Muskan Khandelwal, will be discussing Chapter 10, Can't Hurt Me by Mr. David Goggins. The chapter depicts failure as a normal occurrence in life. Mr. David Goggins explains that a person should not fear failure, but they should embrace it whenever it happens and draw lessons from it. This is simply because failure forces a person to recognize their weaknesses and help towards improving them. It is only through failure a person can learn of certain vital things and develop the mental fortitude to emerge out of that situation with valuable lessons. From failure to strength, and this is only achievable with the right attitude and temperament. Failure is not a means to an end, but it may be the beginning of a successful story, particularly in the many instances that the author, in his various events and life experiences, took it positively and chose to address the issues that led to the failure. The failing incidents, although painful, allowed him to polish his act, improve his performance and mental strength. Therefore, failure should not be always seen as a dark cloud hanging over someone's head, but as an opportunity to improve. Now, the author shares one of the most valuable lessons of life through his journey of failed attempt to become one of the most influential people of all time. He starts this chapter by sharing his first failed attempt at not being selected in the Delta Force. An outstanding runner, a hard-working human being and a perfect one for a team, but yet failed to do so. Reason being demonstrated by him was that he daydreamed during his final test on the battlefield and lost focus on the current task. Hence he lost the chance of being in a Delta Force. After being sent to Honolulu and not selected by the Delta Force, he developed knots in the different parts of the body, because of which he had to give up distance running. Hence he started a different exercise called pull-ups. A determined person and hungry for anything which life gives him, he decided to make a world record of maximum pulls in a span of 24 hours. A few failed attempts prevailed around the corners for him. He failed twice, but in the third attempt, he created a record of maximum pull-ups in a span of 24 hours. The biggest thing in those two failed attempts, the lesson he wants the people to know were: first, failure is just a stepping stone to a future success. Second, lack of focus and attention to a small details can cost you heavily. Third, analyze your failures and find clues about where to make adjustment to achieve the desired goals. Fourth, in every failure, a lot of good things will have happened. We must acknowledge them. Fifth, don't let a simple failure take over your brain and sabotage relationship with the people close to you. Sixth, luck doesn't go your way, but you do not need to focus on what you deserve, rather aim at what you are willing to earn. The author ends this chapter by saying that in life, the fight is not with the rest of the world, but with our own self, to become the best version of ourselves in the long run. Thank you and have a nice day.